So Douglas, here we are in the heart of the Kingsbarns Distillery, and this is a project which has obviously been close to your heart for a long time.
Yeah, so I started this adventure back in the late summer of 2008. That's when I had the idea, driven really through the gap in the market for a visitor whisky distillery near the home of Golf St Andrews. I knew of this old derelict farmsteading with a horse mill and a ducat and a variety of quirky old buyers. So I approached the owner and he was vaguely interested. I took 2 years to get planning permission, 2009, 2011, then another 2 years to raise the money, and the turning point coming with a large grant from the Scottish Government and a big investment from the Weems family, and then another 2 years to build it. And so we opened on St Andrew's Day, November the 30th, 2014.
So when you actually came around to building the distillery and the visitor centre, you got an architect in, obviously. So can you tell us a little bit more about what the architect has made use of all the features? Because that's really what is so fascinating about, for us, the architecture, the innovation, the design. So what we're obviously standing in something which is incorporated, which must be the first time that something like this has been incorporated in a building in a sort of modern contemporary sense.
We have kept all the original features of the B-listed farmsteading, which includes the ducat in which we're now standing. And as it's the architectural centrepiece of the distillery, the building, we've made it a shrine to our first cask of Kingsbarns spirit. So now we say it's the angel share rising to the skies rather than dews, because we lose 2% of our whisky spirit per year. We've also got a horse mill, which is our welcome reception area, and we also host events there for around 50 people. And we have the old two-storey byre, which are tasting rooms and shop. And just next door to us we have an old cowshed, which we've transformed into an aromatron with Highland cow horns and different scents and aromas you get within whisky within those cow horns, which is a really interactive thing which our visitors love.
Well, thank you very much indeed, Douglas. It's been really interesting tour of the distillery. So I think we should drink a little toast to this year of innovation, architecture and design.
Slange.